Plastics United. Ja. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Plastics United, our new program, our web TV broadcast on an international base, where we want to deliver faith and confidence to those who are working in the plastics industry worldwide. And today I'm talking to the Italian Association of Plastics Machinery Manufacturers, AMAPLAST, and I'm connected to its managing director, Mario Maggiani. Ciao Mario, come stai?
Wow, perfect Italian. Thank you very much for calling. First of all, it's always a pleasure to stay with you.
That is great. Mario, how is the Italian plastics industry doing in these days, in these troubled days? We heard a lot of serious and very sad news from Italy. Are you recovering in the meantime?
Yes, first of all, I have to say that as a plastic industry, we are quite lucky because according to the Italian decrees that were issued for the coronavirus situation, our industry, the one of plastic machinery, but also the one of plastic processing industry, was allowed to continue to work also in these weeks. This is mainly due to the fact that the plastic industry is considered as a strategic industry. Obviously, we were not working to full capacity 100%. I would say that we were working at 60% of our capacity. And this is mainly due to the fact that it was quite difficult to receive spare parts, to receive components, to receive material for the normal supplier that were closed. And on the other hand, there was also some problem and difficulties to deliver the machinery already done, already prepared to the customer. Why? Because obviously, if you need a truck that have to cross a different border, it's a problem today with quarantine and so on. That's the reason why the companies were working at 60% of their capacity. But anyway, better 16% than nothing.
That is
starting from today, from May the 4th, Monday, all the companies are open again. So we are quite sure the situation will improve really fast in a short time.
I hope, and I keep my fingers crossed, and I can see that you are working in your office as well. So did you do that all the time, or did you run the association from your home office?
No, we were closing at the beginning of March. Obviously, we were closing the office, but not the activity. So all of us were working from home in smart working, as probably the majority of the office all over Italy. We were allowed to open again today. Personally, from safety reason, I decided to split the team in two shifts, one working this week and one working the next week, in order to have two separate groups. I think this is a good strategy, and it's exactly the same strategy that was followed in the majority of the factory. So having two different groups that can work separately in different days, in different time.
Yes.
Obviously, for the association and also for the factory, the most important thing is, apart from the production, the safety of all the employees and of all the workers.
That is absolutely true, and this is the most important point. Mario, one further question. Of course, this crisis is a terrible experience that we all are running through worldwide. But are there points, or are there things that you think can be a positive aspect for the future? Are there things that you in Italy noticed or learned throughout these weeks and months? Is there something you can carry on for a positive future?
But first of all, Just joking a little bit, if it is possible to joke in this situation, you know, when you have a tragic collapse like the one we have seen in this day, first of all, then you need to have a recovery. So I'm quite sure, I'm quite convinced the situation will improve in the next weeks and in the next months. I have to say that one more time in these 2 months, we have observed how Italian people, Italian managers are flexible. There were some companies converting their production in order to satisfy the request, for example, from face mask to protect everyone. I know company that were producing diapers and so on, and they were converting their production to face mask. On the same side, also the plastic machinery manufacturers, some of them were focusing their attention in the production of woven and non-woven tissue that, as you probably may know, is the base for the face mask. So again, capacity to adapt and to react to the worst situation we have. I think this is one of the advantages of the Italian people and of the Italian entrepreneur.
That's good to hear, and I'm wishing you and all the Italian people in this industry and outside this industry all the best. Stay healthy, Mario, and your team, and we will soon be talking again about the recovery after this crisis, and I hope that those positive days are soon to come. Thank you, grazie mille, and talk to you soon. And I say thank you to you for watching. We will be back again tomorrow from another country, but also again from the plastics industry. And if you want, you can comment and send this little broadcast to others. Write an email, for example, to info@plus.tv. And well, we meet tomorrow. Stay healthy. See you. Bye-bye.